Most people sign up for Hulu, Live TV, thinking they'll automatically get every channel they care about. But here's the problem. They never actually check what's included before subscribing. And that creates huge disappointment later when they realize certain channels, sports coverage, or local networks work differently than expected. Here's the truth no one tells you. The real value of Hulu Live TV is not just the number of channels. It's how the live TV system combines with Hulu's streaming ecosystem. That's what makes the service different in 2026. In this video, I'll explain what channels you actually get with Hulu Live TV, the biggest misconceptions subscribers have, the hidden limitations most people never notice until after sign-up, and how to figure out whether the platform actually fits your viewing habits. And later, I'll show you the one category that matters more than total channel count. So let's get straight into it. First, let's answer the obvious question. What kind of channels does Hulu Live TV include? Generally, Hulu Live TV focuses on major categories like sports, news, entertainment, movies, kids programming, and local broadcasts in many regions. That's the core structure. Now here's where most people fail immediately. They compare streaming TV services the same way people compared cable packages 15 years ago. That no longer works. Modern streaming platforms are ecosystem-based services now. That distinction changes everything. Now let's make this practical. Imagine Jake mainly watches ESPN, local football games, news, and a few entertainment channels. For him, Hulu Live TV may feel extremely complete because it covers his daily viewing habits well. Now compare that to Alex. Alex wants very specific regional sports networks, niche international channels, and highly specialized programming. The experience may feel different. That's why viewing habits matter more than raw channel numbers. Now here's where things get interesting. Many subscribers actually spend more time using Hulu's on-demand content than the live channels themselves. That's the hidden value many reviews overlook. The platform combines live television, streaming libraries, and on-demand entertainment together. That integration matters enormously. Now in a minute, I'll show you the hidden issue that frustrates sports fans specifically. But first, let's continue. Hulu Live TV generally includes a wide mix of major news channels, popular entertainment networks, sports coverage, and family programming. For many households, that creates a very balanced entertainment setup. But here's the problem. Channel availability can vary depending on your location, licensing agreements, and regional broadcasting rights. This is where most people fail again. They assume every user sees the exact same lineup everywhere. That's not always true. Local channels especially can vary by region. Now let's discuss sports because this category matters massively. Sports viewers care about what? Live access, regional games, and reliability. Hulu Live TV focuses heavily on nationally popular sports coverage. But regional sports availability may differ depending on location and agreements. That's why checking local availability matters before subscribing. Now here's where things get interesting again. Some users subscribe mainly for sports season and cancel afterward. That flexibility is part of modern streaming culture now. Consumers no longer feel locked into permanent cable contracts the same way. Now let's discuss another important category. Entertainment and streaming integration. This is where Hulu Live TV separates itself from many competitors. Subscribers are not just getting live channels. They're entering Hulu's broader streaming ecosystem too. That means Hulu Originals, on-demand content, and live television all exist together. For many households, that creates a smoother entertainment experience overall. Now here's the hidden issue I mentioned earlier. Sports blackouts and regional limitations. This frustrates many users. Imagine John subscribes expecting every local game to stream perfectly. Then, certain regional rights restrictions appear unexpectedly. That's not unique to Hulu Live TV. It affects many streaming platforms. But users often discover it only after subscribing. Now here's another mistake people make. Focusing only on channel quantity, instead of actual usage. That creates poor value quickly. Imagine paying for hundreds of channels while regularly watching maybe 10 channels. The smarter approach is evaluating what you truly watch, how often you watch it, and whether the platform supports your habits consistently. That mindset saves money long term. Now here's where things get interesting. Many households accidentally recreate expensive cable bills by stacking Hulu Live TV, Netflix, sports subscriptions, Disney Plus, and other streaming services together. This is the hidden irony of modern streaming. Cord cutting can still become expensive if subscriptions pile up without strategy. Now let's answer the practical question viewers really care about. Who is Hulu Live TV actually best for? Generally, viewers wanting live TV plus streaming entertainment together, families needing broad entertainment categories, and users wanting flexibility without traditional cable contracts. That's where the service feels strongest. Now, let's discuss another important factor. Device flexibility. Non-visually, Hulu Live TV works across smart TVs, phones, tablets, streaming boxes, and gaming consoles. That convenience matters enormously now because viewers increasingly watch content across multiple screens daily. Now here's where things get interesting again. Streaming companies increasingly compete on ecosystem retention rather than just channels. They want users connected through live TV, movies, sports, streaming originals, mobile apps, and bundled entertainment systems simultaneously. That broader strategy shapes the entire streaming market now. Now before we finish, let's summarize clearly. Hulu Live TV generally includes a strong mix of sports, news, entertainment, family programming, and local channels depending on your region. But the real value often comes from the integration between live TV and Hulu's broader streaming ecosystem. That's what separates the platform. Now here's the most important takeaway. The best TV service is not the one with the biggest channel list. It's the one that consistently matches your actual viewing habits without unnecessary extra costs. That's the smarter way to evaluate streaming in 2026. So here's the bottom line. Hulu Live TV offers a strong balance of live television and streaming entertainment for many households, but channel availability and sports access can vary depending on your region and viewing priorities. The smartest subscribers focus on actual usage habits instead of chasing giant channel counts they may never use. That approach creates better value long term. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with which channels you actually watch most every week. And if you want, I can also compare Hulu, Live TV, YouTube TV, cable, and Fubo side by side for sports, pricing, and hidden fees.